Hey there guys, what's going on? It's Chris Curtis, and in this video we're going to go over a lot. You're basically going to, if you get lost, want to pause and rewind the video and play the video until you really get this, because what we're going to be talking about today is sharing other people's videos on your blog, actually embedding them on your blog, encouraging people to share those posts. And where it gets really lucrative is on really popular videos that people like to share. You can see that this video right here has over 23 million views, okay? And you might be thinking, well, man, everybody's already seen it. There's already 23 million people who've seen it, so why would I share that? Well, there are 7 billion people in the world. So the vast majority of people have not seen it, and there are 300 million people in the United States alone. YouTube is a worldwide network, so chances are if you talk to 99 out of 100 people, 99 people have not seen this video. Okay, so sharing it, encouraging people to share it once they're on your blog by sharing the blog post is what we're going for here. So like I said, it's going to be a little bit longer video. Now, a lot of you might know how to use the embed tool on YouTube, and that's fine if you want to do it that way. Basically, it's really simple. You just click on share. And then once you do, it's going to put a little link down here. I don't know why it's not loading very quickly. But it'll put a little link down here, and then you'll have an embed box and all that other stuff. But it's not loading right now for whatever reason. So I'm going to go over with you today, though, the tool that I like to use and the way that I like to embed videos on my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the YouTube URL by highlighting it, and then I'm just going to copy it. And I'm going to go to a site called vtubetools.com. Now, this website allows you to actually manipulate the way the video is going to look. I'm going to paste that URL in there. One of the things that I can do is I can choose to autoplay the video. Now, if you have a blog that has all of your blog posts on one page, 2am Traffic is not set up that way. It actually has the text with the continue reading. But what you don't want is to have 5 videos start autoplaying all at once. So if you change your blog settings or anything like that where people can see the full post and you've got 3 or 4 videos that are set on autoplay, you obviously wouldn't want to do it that way. We'll go over that in future trainings on how you can set up your blog to have all of your posts displayed and all that good stuff. I would leave it like it is, though, if you don't know what you're doing. But we will set this to autoplay, and I want it to be 640 pixels wide by 360 pixels high. Okay, that's perfect for the 2am Traffic blog, for the template that we're using. Looks really good. I want to pick a light colored theme. I don't want to disable keyboard controls, but I don't want the title on there either because I think it just doesn't look as good. I do want them to have access to controls, so I don't want to auto hide the controls. I want the progress bar to be white instead of red, which is the bar at the bottom of the video. Allow full screen, yes. Do I want it to loop? No. If you do have a video that you would like to loop, you could press the yes option on that. Do I want to display related videos? Absolutely not. I don't want people clicking on the video player going off of my blog. Do I want it to be in high quality format? Yes, I do. It's a pretty high definition video, so that's something that I will want to select. Then I'm just going to click on Get Code. And you can see here that the video is set to autoplay, so it's going to automatically play, and I'm going to copy this code right here. Okay, so copy this, and I'm going to go into my blog and I'm going to add a new post. Now, this is obviously the first post that I've made to my 2am Traffic blog. So I'm going to need to come up with the title for this post, and I don't want to use the exact title of the video. Okay, and keep in mind, people are going to be searching for this video online because they're like, hey, I can't remember the name of that video, but they'll try to type in a title. If you have the title to whatever they type in, chances are you might get listed in Google above the video itself. So chances are, not all the time, but you do have a possibility, or at least ranking with the video. So Indonesian boy on 40 cigarettes a day. So I would put this Indonesian baby smokes 2 packs a day. Okay, that's a good title. And then I'm going to come down into the main body of my blog post here. And I'm going to click on the text option over here. Once I do that, I'm going to copy the code right there like that. I'm going to go back to my visual text editor, and I can center this if I want to. And then what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to write about this. Okay, so maybe I'll say, can you believe this 2-year-old baby from Indonesia smokes more cigarettes than most adults smokers. This video blew my mind when I saw it. I cannot believe his parents ever let him smoke in the first place. I think they should be locked up. Okay, so I want to encourage people to share this video. Typically, I put a little bit more content than that. You don't have to put a lot more than that because remember, you're sharing a video, so a paragraph, 2 paragraphs is good. But something that I would put at the end is share this video if you agree. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put some space between this so people can see. And okay, so that's really going to stand out, and then I'll even change the color of it to make it stand out more. I'll use the darker red. I think the darker red looks better than the bright red, and I think it's easier to read. That's more of a brownish maroon color, but I like that color. It stands out to me more than the bright red does. So share this video if you agree would be at the bottom. And then, below that I can put whatever I want. And in the content of my blog, I can put whatever I want. We're going to go over, if you're making generic videos, you of course want to promote 2 a.m. traffic in your sidebar. You could even, below this, put something like, let's go back to my original font size, our original color. Hey there, I just wanted to let you know that I get paid for sharing cool content like this using this powerful search engine optimized content delivery system. You can too. Learn more by visiting my website here. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll go into our 2 a.m. traffic site real quick. And what I want to do is I want to go over here to the affiliate tab and pick one of these splash pages. Okay, so in my experience, guys, number 11 really works the best. I like this one, but actually in this case, since we're really generic about it, I might even want to send people to the front page of my website. Okay, so my referral URL to the front page is this right here. Let's make a tiny URL. And I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back, highlight this, learn more by visiting my website here. And then I'm going to click on the link. And then in the title, learn more about 2 a.m. traffic. Add the link. And there we go. So category here would be funny videos or sad videos, I guess would be a better description. And then my tags would just be related to the video itself. Baby, smoking, cigarettes, video, viral, funny, cute, add. And then on your featured image, anytime you share a post on Facebook or anything like that, you can set a featured image, which would be the one that showed up on Facebook. That's as simple as, you know, clicking this and picking out an image that you want to be the default image. We're not going to worry about it right now, but that's what you could do. Or link to an image. Guys, what you don't want to do is upload a bunch of content to your blog, upload a bunch of videos, or actually you can't upload videos, but upload a bunch of big files. It really logs down your blog. The best way to do it is to link to pictures that are hosted elsewhere, which is really easy to do. We'll go over that in some other videos. A lot of you will already know how to do that, however. So our focus keyword is going to be baby smokes. Okay, so we do have it in the article heading. We do have it in the page title. I can save this as a draft. So we do have it in the page URL. We don't have it in the content, so this baby smokes like a chimney. How do you spell chimney? Is it chimney? I guess that's it. Okay. This baby smokes like a chimney. And then maybe I'll add an H2 tag to that. Get rid of the period. And save draft. We'll check it now. Okay, so I'm good. It's in the description, it's in the content, it's all this stuff. This is my SEO title. Don't really have to worry about a description here because it'll actually pull it out of the content itself, which is related to the video anyway. So I'm ready to publish this post. And let's go ahead and go to the website. Okay, now you see how it has the read more option here, so you don't have to worry about auto playing the videos on the way this is set up. Read more. And this is actually a little large. Okay, this video, I thought it would be fitting perfectly, but it's actually a little big. So going back to the tools, let's do this one more time. We'll do, instead of 640, we'll do 620, or we'll just do 600 by 330. And yes, high quality, no related videos, no title, get code. Okay, so I'm going to replace that code that I pasted. Now we'll view the post, and that fits perfectly. So 600 by 330, I think is what we did. And you actually may want to go 320 or 310 because actually we were at 340. So yeah, 320 would probably make this video fit better. but it looks good on there. It plays automatically. You've got great content. It just looks really good. So that's how you share other people's videos, guys. And you can write about the videos as long as you want. You can create big articles about them if you want to. Put a lot of content on it. But really, in however long this video has been going on, we've created a really cool blog post that we can encourage people to share very easily. And the share button's right here. They just click on the share button, and we'll get a better share widget back here for you guys, because I'm not sure that this is showing up good enough. I actually put it on here and I had to look for it myself, so we might have to end up doing a different or a little bit better share button. But you want to encourage people to share, and they can just click there and go to Facebook. And that's something that you want to do as well. Whenever you're publishing something on your blog, you want to go ahead and publish it to Facebook and all of your social networks. Google Plus, I recommend if you're not a member, you should join. Twitter, LinkedIn, all that good stuff. That way, you're spreading your content around the internet as well. And it encourages your friends who come across your blog post to share your blog post. That's what we want them to do. We don't want them clicking off, going to YouTube or anything like that. We want them to stay on our site and click to share on our site. Okay, so we might want to make it a little bit better, a little bit easier for people to see that. But basically, guys, that's all we have for this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.